to the file option. Okay, I'll go to open, and if you have downloaded the asset, there will be one picture of these mountains. Okay, click on this and open it. So I'll get my mountain file open. Alright, any doubts until now? Anyone, you can just raise hand or put it in the chat box. I will try to help you. Okay, then I suppose everything's clear. So next thing is to make such effect which will be in the form of planet. Okay, so I'll go to this option of filter and I will select this Liquify. Okay, you can hit shift plus command plus X or shift plus control plus X to get this effect. Okay, so when I click on this, a new pop-up window will open. Okay, it will take some time. Alright, so it's open. Now there are various tools. These are some advanced Photoshop tools if you ask me. Okay, there's some reconstruct, there's some smooth tool, there's a twirl clockwise tool. But what we're going to do is we'll select the first one, which is forward warp tool. Alright, or you can just press W on your keyboard and you'll get it. Now with me, just set the size to 1035. Okay, set the density to 100 and set the pressure to 55. Alright, so what we got over here, this circle that you can find on your screen moving on these mountains, is basically the brush that I will be using to liquefy this layer. Okay, so you have to do nothing, you just have to add some strokes. Okay, and make it such like to add the curvature only to the light parts. Okay, the white thing that you see over here, because when we will make it orange, it will be easier to recolor this blue part to orange color. Okay, so I'm just using some part, the sky part of this image, and at the end I will get a nice liquefied image. Okay, so I hope this much is enough. You can do any random pattern, you can generate any random pattern. Okay, be sure to make the white the dominant color over here. Okay, so I'm just going to click on this OK button over here to commit the changes, and it will return the liquify result. Okay, so if you're adding many strokes, it will take some time for you to reconstruct this layer, okay, into this liquefied form. Okay, so I got the texture for my planet.